Thank you, I am.
Okay, so Jack, what do you say? What is this?
Papa.
I can hear you.
Happy on Papa.
What is this?
It's me.
Is that something you got in the mail from them?
Yes. It's me. Let's stop.
Need some help? There you go. Do you think what do you think it is? Is it a new car? What is that?
It's inside.
Is that a card?
It's me.
What is that? Whoa!
I got these.
What are they? What is that? Are those stickers? What is that?
Halloween stickers.
Is that cool? What? Show Daddy.
I'm not gonna open my own card.
You open your card, son. You open it. It's on YouTube. It's not too long. Now, what Daddy show? What Daddy teach you? No, the card. Here,
I got my own.
Jack.
You can put that on the window.
Here. Open the card.
You can decorate.
Whoa! What does that say? I'm gonna read that to you. Open it up. It says, "Congratulations, Jack. You are such a good boy for going." What does it say? Poo-poo on the toilet. Way to go, Bubba. Mimi loves and misses you.
Wow.
Bubba, I'm very proud of you. Love, Papa. Love, Papa. You're the best.
Okay, what do you say to them?
Jack, what do you say to Mimi and Papa? Look in the camera. Jack.
Jack, what do you say when someone gives you a gift?
Thank you.
No, you look in the camera. What do you say? Look in the camera. Jack, do you see this? Can I get a kiss? You say, what do you say?
Happy me, butter. Thank you. Thank you for being out.
Are you excited? Are you happy?
All right.